Hi, folks. I want to explain our first history assignment. So this is the history book, Our Nation. This is the consumable version. This is the one you have at home. And if you were in class, you'd be able to write inside it, decorate it, answer the questions inside of it. But because we're working from home, you can still do that if you want, but it would be really hard for me to grade them if we did it that way. So actually, I'm going to make Google Forms assignments for you guys to do to answer the questions in this book. So what you're going to do today is very simple, just a nice introductory assignment, is we're going to read, because this is about our nation. Sorry, got ahead of myself. Our focus on history is American history. So we're going to start learning about the native peoples who settled this great country of ours. So you're going to start reading on page 3, and you're going to read from page 3 to page 5. You're going to read those pages to get the information you need to answer the questions. Now, you might be asking, where are these magical questions that Mr. Hill is talking about? When you go onto our Google Classroom, you are going to see under the, the work tab, classwork tab. Let me go to a new one here. So when you go to the class here, you click on classwork and you're going to be able to find it. You see we already have some math work up here, some reading work up here. So you're going to see something that says history over here when you log in. You're going to click on that and it's going to take you over to the assignment. And the assignment is going to look like this. It's going to tell you to watch the video and it's going to have a link to this Google form here. So History Vocab 1. And you notice here it says lock mode on Chromebooks. So this means if you're using a Chromebook, which I hope most of you are, when you go there, it's going to keep you stuck on that page until you finish. So you're not going to be able to open up new tabs and leave that until you finish. So if you go on with the Chromebook and another tab that won't open, that's because it will not allow you to do that. You're going to go in and you're going to answer some questions. So if you leave, there's about 8 questions you're going to have to answer. Most of them are simple vocabulary questions. There's a couple fill in the blanks. There's a couple where I give the definition and you have to pick the correct word that goes in there. And there's a couple of short answers that you're going to have to answer. So it's not very difficult, only about 8 questions. You're going to read through the pages. There's 3 pages to read through, an intro page and 2 more actual pages with content. And then you're going to click on the Google form link and go ahead and solve all of the problems that are there. So thank you so much and good luck with this assignment. Again, if you need any help, you know where to find me. I'm right there in our classroom Zoom meeting, and I'm ready to help you out if and when you need it, okay? But good luck, and I know you all are going to do an awesome job.